Hello everybody, what's going on? Few big insights are coming from NIO's end. Grounded in recent operational data reported by Sun saojun, order velocity for NIO and the Firefly combined surged to 6,000 units in a single week, excluding Onvo, while high-margin flagship models like the ES9 maintain exceptional stability alongside tough rivals like the iTo M9 at 1,300 to 1,500 units per week. If you have been watching the noise around Chinese EVs, you should check this out because the raw data from the front line is painting a drastically different picture than the bears want you to see. Renowned automotive industry analyst Sun Saojun just dropped the latest weekly order breakdown, and the numbers are staggering. In just 7 days, NIO and its compact brand Firefly pulled in 6,000 orders, and that is excluding the mass market Onvo brand. Think about what that means. While competitors are cutting prices and bleeding margins, trying to generate interest, NIO's core lineup and new sub-brands are seeing order momentum hit a brand new gear. Now let's unpack these numbers. Pulling in 6,000 units in a single week across NIO and the Firefly alone proves that demand is expanding rapidly beyond just a single vehicle. Firefly, which target the high-end compact EV segment, is proving to be a master stroke for the global and domestic market penetration. By capturing urban commuters without cannibalizing NIO's main luxury line, Firefly is building massive volume momentum. And remember, this 6,000 unit weekly figure leaves out the Onvo entirely. When you stack Onvo's family oriented SUV on the top of this, NIO's total order engine is generating weekly run rate that place it directly at the top tier of the Chinese EV market. Now the volume is great, but profitability and brand equity comes from the top tier, and that brings us to the flagship executive lineup. According to same report, orders for the NIO ES9 remain rock solid, pacing at 1,300 to 1,500 units per week. To put that into context, it is holding neck and neck stability right alongside the Huawei-backed iTo M9, maintaining 1,300 to 1,500 orders a week on a flagship luxury vehicle priced above 500,000 RMB isn't just good, it's a cash flow machine. The ES9 is proving that luxury buyers aren't just trying out NIO, they are committing to its premium tech, 900 volt architecture, and industry leading special cabin experience. So the big question here is that why buyers choosing NIO over the sea of competing EVs? It all comes down to the ecosystem moat. NIO isn't just selling cars, it's selling freedom from range anxiety via its expanding fifth generation power swap stations. With the ability to service models ranging from the compact Firefly all the way to the massive ES9 flagship, NIO's infrastructure investment is paying off in the real-time user retention. When customers know they can get a full battery swap in 3 minutes, plus access to industry-leading full-stack innovations like the Skyride intelligent chassis and proprietary chips, buying into the new ecosystem becomes obvious choice. So what does this mean for us as investors looking at new stock? I would say that Wall Street has spent months worrying about price wars, but NIO is executing a textbook multi-brand flywheel. Firefly drive high volume global urban adoption. Onvo captures the mass family market, and NIO main brand anchors high margin and premium executive prestige. When order logs show weekly surge of 6,000 unit outside of Onvo, alongside ultra stable flagship demand for the ES9, it signals that the factory utilization, revenue growth, and margins are all moving in right direction. The short-term noise is clearing out and the structural fundamentals are asserting themselves. NIO is proving that its multi-brand vision wasn't just a strategy on paper. It's delivering real number on the ground right now. If you have been holding through the volatility, the data shows the runway ahead is brighter than ever. So prepare now. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.